Hey, what's up you guys? As you can see, I'm in school and I'm just between classes right now. I only have 2 classes today. Since I haven't been vlogging at school yet, I thought it was way due time to actually do that. But it was raining this morning, so I couldn't really vlog as much as I wanted to. Where am I going? I'm going there. It's confusing when they don't have stairs like at all the places. Anyway, I'll continue. So I'm on the bus. I'm on my way home on the bus. And yeah, today's classes were really fun. Probably should hold it a bit away from my face. Not sure if you can hear me over the bus. I'll film a bit later. Okay, so I'm near the station where I live and I'm about to go to a hair salon. I'm gonna do what I was supposed to do the first time, so to speak, but I chickened out because I really can't stand having orange hair anymore. I'm just really sick of it. So hopefully I won't look too dumb. Thankfully it's not raining as much as it was this morning, so good. This little shopping street. GoPro. GoPro のカメラ。そう。ちっちゃくて便利。うん。おお、これエクステもできるよね。確かに。すごい。いやー、いい感じ。So it is the next day. I don't remember if I filmed this morning or not. And I'm at the classroom. I just went to a club meeting, Rock Tribe, but I haven't formed like a band yet to need members to perform and stuff, so it should be fun. Right now we're gonna have like an introduction for a bus trip that we're all gonna take later, like all the exchange students. So the travel company is gonna come here and present the travel plans, and then we are split into teams and we're gonna make presentations and basically do a presentation in front of everybody, and then they get to vote on where we go. So that is interesting. But yeah, it's Friday, it's raining, it's been raining all week, which sucks. But I have to stay long after school today. So I'll probably be able to vlog some more. So classes are over for today, but I have an appointment at 5:30 to meet like a language partner. So I have to stay. But since it's like 2.5 hours till that time, I thought I would go to Book Off. Because like I said, I'm in a club called Rock Tribe, and so I'm gonna see if I can find like a cheap acoustic guitar, maybe. Because it would be fun to like actually bring my own instrument. There is an acoustic guitar at my apartment, but since it's not mine, I don't feel really okay with bringing it to school. But it was really fun. we got some places introduced to us. It was like Yokohama, Kamakura, Hakone, and two other places that I can't remember, Tsukuba, I think, and some other place. But they all seemed really nice. But me and my partner, we picked Yokohama because that was the place that had like the most time to play, and yeah, it had like a buffet where you could eat as much as you want, and also yeah, it's pretty close. Basically, you don't have to go that far, and you get to go to Chinatown, and it's really nice. I like Yokohama. I haven't been there yet for this time, but hopefully I can take you one day when it's not really shitty weather. So yeah, let's see if I can find a guitar.